This is the DC volt calibration resistor trimmer of Multimeter Unit UT61E. Today I am going to explain how to calibrate DC volt on Unity UT61E to match best accuracy. Anyone try to clone or do update for multimeter devices on his own risk, and everything we explain in this video is from our opinion and not professionally. Let's start. What you need to calibrate DC volt to match 2% to from 10,000 volt. Let's open the multimeter to show you the place. This resistor, you can find it here. And what is the problem with this resistor? I witnessed that when I uninstalled this resistor, okay, and then when I trimmed to the end of this resistor, I measured with the multimeter. It's appeared it's not zero ohm. It's appeared it's 25 ohm. When I trimmed to the another end, I measured the resistor of this pin and this pin. Also, I witnessed there is something like nearly 25 ohm. So that is very bad for DC volt accuracy. So that 25 ohm will add to the total 9 kilo ohm. So will change the accuracy, and that 25 ohm will be all the time will be changed. Sometimes will be 20 ohm, sometimes will be 15 ohm. So you can't keep the resistor of this trimmer exactly to match the DC volt accuracy of 0.0002%. So I bring multimeter with 50,000 account high end and matched the DC voltage with that multimeter. Then all you need to know exactly how much is resistor between this pin and this pin. You need to know. What I did it, I bought 100 resist 8.2 kilo ohm, and from 100 resistor I found two resistors 8,000. First one was 8,060 ohm and second one was 8,049 ohm. So I put it one, measured the voltages, and I uninstalled. There is one SMD from the another side. From the other side, I uninstalled that resistor. I will not open the board to show you. I uninstalled that resistor and I matched it a smaller resistance resistor. Instead of 7.5 kilo ohm, I put it for my multimeter 7.5 ohm, because we upgraded this resistor. So now, as you're going to show next scene in this video, the results with matching another high-end multimeter. This update belongs to me. My name is Minas. And I am first one put this update and this small event and on this multimeter to match a very high DC volt accuracy. If you like the idea and you go benefit from it and you enjoy this video, don't forget to share this video. This is important to me to continue with the new videos and better ideas and small inventions in electronic equipments.